In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a WebP image into a JPEG. So you can see on the screen here that this is currently a WebP image, and I'm going to show you how we can go and convert this. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up a Google Chrome browser. You can then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and go and click on extensions. Now click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type in Save Image as Type and then go and press Search. Now you should see this tool here, which is Save Image as Type. You can go and press Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. You can then click on Extensions and click on the pin icon to go and pin this to your taskbar. Now all you simply need to do is go in, refresh the page or the image that you want to convert. You can then right click on this, click on Save Image as Type, and then go and select the format that you want to save this image in. So I'll be selecting JPEG, and then you can simply go and press Save. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.